Today we'll discuss about safety of commonly used accessories in infants. First comes to the walker. So as we know, everyone believes that walker will help in early initiation of walking, but it is a myth. Actually, walker delays walking. The baby actually develops some sense of panic to start walking and hence it delays walking. Pram is it looks like a small basket. Some come with pram, come stroller. So usually it is used for babies who are less than 6 months of age, and all these things should be used under supervision and for a very short time. Next, coming to the swing, it is always good to avoid cloth swings because many times we find babies coming to the emergency with the history of fall from the cloth swings, especially when they are not monitored. They come up with head swellings, and rarely it can cause bleeding within the brain also when they fall more than 3 feet. So if at all we want to use a swing, we can use that square shaped wooden swings, and that too under observation only. The baby should be never left unattended in that particular swing also. Sling carriers are also commonly used to hold the babies. So generally when we place baby in that sling, ensure if the sling is still here, the baby's head should be outside of that particular sling, and it should be internally padded with some soft material. The head should be never into the particular sling because it can accidentally cause suffocation or breathlessness in the baby. Next, coming to the high chair. High chair we can use once the baby gets the spine stability. So generally that happens probably starting from 6 to 7 months, and we should ensure that particular high chair should be very sturdy. So the edges should not be sharp, and ensure locks are there, and it should be used under supervision. Usually high chairs generally are used when we are trying to feed the baby. Last, coming to the stroller. Again, stroller can be used once they get that sitting without support independently. Again, that comes with straps so that it ensures the spine stability. No sharp edges should be there, and stroller should not be used for making the babies sleep within, and always monitoring should be definitely done when the baby is in stroller as well. Thank you.